Maintenance shouldn't be a guessing game. With ReKurv.ai, you get real answers, in context, in seconds. Let's walk through how. ReKurv.ai speaks your language. No filters, no forms. Just type your question like you'd say it out loud, and get back answers grounded in your equipment and history. Context is everything in maintenance, and ReKurv.ai knows yours. It aligns every answer with your plant layout, your asset hierarchy, and your real operational context, not someone else's. Technicians don't work in one-and-done answers, neither should our AI. Need to dig into root causes? Just keep asking. ReKurv.ai builds on your questions and gets smarter with every interaction. Whether you're in the control room or on the plant floor, ReKurv.ai is with you. All you need is a browser and curiosity. ReKurv.ai isn't just another chatbot. It's trained on real machine data, not the internet. It understands your equipment, your site, and your context. No generic replies, no prompt tricks, just real answers that get smarter over time. This is guided intelligence, built for maintenance. ReKurv.ai isn't static. It evolves with your environment. The more you use ReKurv.ai, the more it understands your machines, and the better it supports your team. From the first question to continuous learning, ReKurv.ai transforms how maintenance teams think, work, and solve. ReKurv.ai is more than a tool. It's the beginning of smarter maintenance for every site, every asset, every day. From the first question to continuous learning, it transforms how maintenance teams think, work, and solve. So did you recurve that?